In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comments and likes in the Posts column in WordPress. If you've been managing your WordPress site and feel like your post overview screen is a bit cluttered with information you don't need, you're in the right place. By streamlining this view, you can focus on what really matters, your published and draft content. Whether you're working on a personal blog, a business website, or a portfolio, cleaning up your workspace will make managing your posts quicker and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website where your content is hosted. This is the main hub for managing all aspects of your site, so make sure you're on the correct page for your specific WordPress installation. Next, look for the Login button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the WordPress homepage. Click on it to access the login page. Once there, sign in using your WordPress account credentials. Alternatively, if you prefer a faster login process, you can select the Continue with Google option. If you go this route, ensure you choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site so you're directed to the right dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Posts section. This is where all your published and draft content is neatly organized. It's essentially your central workspace for managing blog posts and other content pieces. Take a moment to locate this area so we can move on to customizing the interface. Now, look towards the upper section of the post screen for the Screen Options button. It's typically found in the top right corner and might be easy to miss if you're not familiar with it. Click on this button to reveal a panel of display choices. Think of this menu as a customization tool that allows you to decide which columns and details appear in your post overview. Once the Screen Options panel is open, you'll see several checkboxes corresponding to different column options. To remove unnecessary clutter, locate the checkboxes for comments and likes. Uncheck both of these boxes. By doing this, you're removing these columns from view, leaving you with a cleaner and more focused layout. This is particularly useful if your site doesn't rely heavily on comments or likes, or if you simply want to prioritize other information. With the changes made, click the Apply button to confirm your selections. This ensures that your adjustments take effect immediately. Think of this step as hitting the Save button. It solidifies the changes you've just configured. Finally, take a moment to verify the updated post screen. Look over the layout to confirm that the comments and likes columns are no longer visible. You should now see a streamlined interface that's easier to navigate and manage, allowing you to focus on the content itself rather than unnecessary extras. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the comments and likes columns from your post's overview in WordPress. This simple customization helps reduce visual clutter and makes your dashboard more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.